My name is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today I'm going to be doing a flip through of my project Favorite Things, and it's my design team project for LineDotArrow for July of 2022. So on the pages, they've all been stamped around the edges. This is a book made out of paper. It's not a manila folder book, and it also has a tab with a charm that you can see towards the beginning. So I'm going to untie her. Then on the first two pages, there's our charm, because there's a card behind the page that you can only get you from the tab. Never take them out during a video. And then you just open these. They're held by magnets. And there's 3 tags. And you have to close it the right way or the magnet does not work. Here's an up tuck with a card. And then this flips down. And there's a little tag there that I made. And then up here is some writing space. On this one, it's a little interesting because these are not closed at all except by this 3/4 belly band or 7/8 belly band, and the belly band has a magnet, and that's what holds everything together. So when you lift this up, there's the magnet is under here, and then this, I made it into an up tuck, and there's a little bit of writing space if you wanted to write on it. On here is writing space. Down here is writing space, and in the center is the little notebook that comes with it, and I stenciled inside to match everything else, but I think I'm going to go back and put some paper in there too. I just didn't do it on the first try. On this page here is a notebook, coffee dyed paper, and the front and the back are stamped on the inside. And there's a little ticket here. On the 5th page, this is just a small book because it was a 4-video tutorial. There's a bookmark here, right? And a card here, and another card back here, another even bigger card back here. Now, this is made possible by a triple belly band. If you'll notice, the cards come out in between the pages, and that's because I glued 2 pieces of paper together on 3 sides to make a giant pocket in the top. And then when I sewed it together, this is held with a what do you call it? One of those, the 3-stitch pamphlet, 3-hole pamphlet stitch. That's what it is. I swear I knew what it was. Anyway, it's sewn together using bookbinding thread, and that's what holds the 2 pockets separate, is the fact that it's sewn. But other than that, this whole top is open, and you'll notice all of the, you can see the stamping in the center and around all the edges. And then on the last page is a flip out, but this is a little holder, little belly band. And then we've got our giraffe here, and then the matching card. Look at that, it went back in. And then you open this up, and there's a pocket with a tag, and a little ephemera, and a pocket with 3 tags. And then that's it. Then there's the back of the book. It's a nice quick little project for you if you've got a few hours. And I hope you'll spend them with me. And I will see you in the next video or video series. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.